2025, from a fixed income point of view, was very fixed income friendly. It was fun, but it was also ideal for active management. The most overused phrase this year was uncertainty. But really, what that did is it encapsulated the range of potential outcomes we were faced with from an economic standpoint, from a political standpoint, then ultimately what that meant for markets. What was required, more so than we've seen in many years, is a degree of diversification, a willingness to change your investment, to invest in different areas of the market to best add value. There were some core views that played out well over the course of the year. So positioning for a steeper yield curve, preferring corporate bonds over government bonds. But beyond that, there were a number of decisions that needed to be taken to best add value for your underlying clients. So uncertainty is something we encourage, we like, because it gives us more opportunities. And certainly over 2025, you weren't short of opportunities, and there was certainly a high degree of volatility to play with.
UK equity markets have been remarkably resilient in 2025 when you think about all the negative headlines surrounding the UK. But it's definitely been a bifurcated market as well. So very, very strong gains for the large companies. So the FTSE 100 is up over 20% year to date, but less gains for further down the market cap spectrum. So in the mid cap and the small cap. But even there, we've seen gains of 10, 11, 12% so far this year. So not bad at all, really, in the context of the headlines we've seen this year.
But 2025 ran red hot and ice cold. Just 5 stocks actually contributed almost half of the returns in the S&P 500. Although if you look at every stock in the US market, half of them delivered negative returns. Europe delivered excellent returns this year, although without banks and defense stocks, the European market would have been negative. The 2025 was really the year of Trump, tariffs, AI, and crypto mania. Nothing else really mattered. You were either hot or you really were not.